So, hello all, welcome back to the UC shop. This is Kasim. I'm back again with yet another video series. In today's video series, we'll be showing you some beautiful soft silk pattu sarees in the price range of 999. We are giving this for RD sale. We used to sell this for 1300 or 1500, but just for RD sale, we are launching this for 999 only. And the shipping, as you all know, we always give free shipping. So starting with the very first saree of the day, this is a very beautiful, one of our best selling royal blue color shade, soft silk pattu saree. In the saree we have this circle bootas in the complete body with brocade pattern design and this self color border on both ends. Coming to the pallu, we have this beautiful brocade pallu we'll be getting in copper zari shade, a zigzag pattern pallu with tassel at the end. And this you'll be getting the blouse, a very beautiful brocade self color blouse. This was the very first color. We have two more colors in this. So coming the next color we have this very beautiful navy blue color. So just a reminder, to place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and message on a WhatsApp number. So this is the second color we have, a very beautiful navy blue color. We have 5 colors in this. A lot of you were asking for that we don't show all the colors in a particular design. So we are coming with all the colors that we have in every design. So this is a navy blue color, a very dark navy blue with self color border. This is the pallu of the saree with a very beautiful tassel at the end. And this here is the blouse of the saree. All the sarees are priced at ₹999 only and shipping is free. This we are coming to the third color, a very beautiful dark maroon color shade. We have also introduced one new thing. So from now on, we'll be uploading 5 to 6 stories every day. And you don't have to come on WhatsApp also. You just need to go to that particular link and you can just make the payment and fill your address from the link only. You don't have to come to the WhatsApp and ask for availability of any saree. You can just tap on our story section, go check the products on our story, select a saree, just go to the link and purchase. You don't need to come to WhatsApp also. We have introduced new section because a lot of you were requesting to bring the link sale. So this is for you. So third color we have this light maroon color shade with the beautiful brocade pattern pallu, tassel and the blouse. This is the blouse. So we have 2 more colors. I'll be opening those 2 colors as well. So the next color we have this beautiful sky blue color shade. And also we'd like to request you to please do like our videos, comment on our videos what you want us to bring and share with your friends and family. So this is a very beautiful sky blue color shade with the self brocade pallu, tassel and the blouse. This price is only for RD sale at 999. After the sale has ended, the prices will go back to its normal prices. So if you want to book it, just book it immediately. So the last color we have this one of our best selling, a very beautiful jet black color. So this is a complete body view with the very beautiful pallu, tassel and the blouse. Just a reminder again, to place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and go on our WhatsApp number, or also you can just tap on our story and just purchase from the link only. Just tap on the story section, check all the products and you can tap on the link to buy. So stay tuned, we'll be coming back very soon.